2017 Legacy. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, panoramic moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, ventilated front disc brakes, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, Bluetooth, heated rear seat, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, climate control automatic, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cross traffic alert. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.